So I've gone over time. Yeah, just wrap up by going back to what I said about the different groupings of central planning. You looked at central planned economies. They all said that they were going to fight pollution. This is for the people. We're sick of the corporate profiteering and ruining our environment. They all said this, and they all ruin their environment to an unbelievable degree. And again, it has to do with, I think, the theory of the core tells us there was only limited ways that you could cooperate in a centrally planned economy with your boss and with your subordinate. And if those weren't the one who was suffering from your pollution, then you polluted. And there's really no mechanism for the people suffering from the pollution to approach the people producing the pollution. Whereas in a freer system, we can approach each other and say, can we reach a deal? Certainly their incentive to reach deals. So that's kind of the Coase-Telser way of looking at it.